Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So if you wanna know how did I pull this look off, just continue watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you! So ayan, una gamit tayo ng Formizer o yung primer natin. Ito ang aking gagamitin is the Baby Skin from Maybeline, 299 pesos siya. Pagpasensya nyo na yung may ingay na tricycle kasi wala akong light kaya natural light yung ginagamit ko. Tapos andyan lang siya. Now, after natin maglagay ng primer, lagay tayo ng moisturizer. And we're done to our kilay. Now let's move on to our eyeshadow. The Wet n Wild Rose in the Air. So it's my first time to use it. So let's see how this works. Ayan, gamitin natin tong sa likod. Bago pa siya, makikita nyo may numbering. Anong number 2. Ganyan. So, ang ginamit ko pang prime is, teka, tama ba to? This one. This is number 6. Okay. Next naman na gagamitin natin is this one here. Next naman natin gagamitin is this itong orangey. Ayan. This is number 2. Lastly, ito na yung ating gagamitin. Itong plum color here. This one. Now, once na na-achieve yun na yung ganyan na look, tapos i-smoke out na natin siya. Yung mga ginamit niyo dito, siya rin gagamitin niyo dito. See? Now we're done sa ating mata. Let's move on to the eyeliner. Dahil wala akong false lashes, so kakapalan ko lang yung aking mascara and then I will do a wing something here. Now we're back and I have nakita ko na ang aking eyeliner, so we can continue. Now, let's move on to the mascara. So, dapat natin siyang kailangan ko siyang kapalin dahil wala akong false lashes. Let's contour my fat face. So, I'm using using this Careline. Some powder on it. There. And let's curl. Ito nakayanan ng mga magulang ko. Mukha pa lang aking pilik mata. At mahaba. And then, lipstick. What should I wear then? Should I wear red? Just lip. Bought this from the Face Shop. Kapag dalawa ang bilihin mo, lang siya. Pero pag bilhin mo mag-isa, that's 300. Let's put the strobe. Careline pa rin to. This, bibili ito sa Watsons ng 199. Pero kapag kasagay sa 119 pesos lang. I don't know what's the difference or bakit different. Let's put it here sa nose. Ayan. It's a illusion para tumang sila. Then let's put there something there. Para mangyak-yak tayo. Let's put something here. I think I'm done with this look, so ayusin ko lang hair ko and then let's poof. Oh, nagay lang din ako ito. Bigay ito ni Ate Dia. It's Forme Lip Gloss. Dahil lang sa baba ang lagyan natin. Para kissable. Now, ayusin ko lang hair ko and then we're done.